So let's flip this guy over. I want to apply just a little bit of heat to that. Try and get the melt down some. It's too small for me to put anything in there without hitting the other thing. If I get too much solder in there, which I suspect I probably will, I have to completely scrap this board because I can't desolder it. Yeah, I'm not going to risk it. Turn this guy around. That pad being screwed up like it is, it's not much I can do for you. Not much I can do for you, lass. So let's undo one of these. Plug this guy back up. See if I can make some sparks fly. That's a joke. I hope that they don't fly, because I'm going to be screwed. Hoping that little crack I heard was just due to me pushing it in. There's my voltmeter. Voltmeter.com. DC voltage. $18.57. $18.59. I think I made it slightly better. 18.59. Zero, zero there. Perfect. No extra bleed through. $18.58. 10.59. $18.59. Made a better connection than what was there. Because we were getting 0.57 before. Okay, now here's the question. Can we make this thing act stupid? Very carefully. Okay, we just wiggled it a whole bunch. Acceptable wiggle. That sounds a pretty stupid term. $18.59. $18.59. 10.58. 10.58. Now I got one odd reading. I think that's because I slipped off then. No, because it gave me consistent readings all the other times. So, okay, I think this guy is fixed. We're able to test it. We're getting what it says we should be getting according to the actual jack itself. Not the jack, but the AC cord. So now we can put this sucker back together. And hey, we had a viewer and he left. You know, maybe it's because I'm sitting here just kind of talking to myself. I just kind of thought about that. If I all of a sudden jumped on a station, I don't really expect somebody just to be going, "Hey, I'm talking about laptops, blah, 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 blah." No. No, I wouldn't expect that. I just expect somebody sitting here going, "Hey, somebody to talk to. How you doing? How you doing?" Come on. Like, seriously. Okay, that's over there. Get these soldering irons unplugged. Cool down some. That can sit there. Now the question. How the heck do you put it back together? How in the same hell do you put this guy back together? Very carefully. Very, very, very carefully. It's pretty much exact opposite of how you take it apart. Always. I haven't seen a system that's been different, really.